When intelligence meets decentralization, a new digital species is born. We're standing at the edge of a technological renaissance. Two once separate worlds, artificial intelligence and Web3, are no longer simply coexisting. They're merging. And from that convergence, a radically new version of the internet is taking shape. AI is the brain. It predicts, adapts, and evolves. It interprets oceans of data in milliseconds and sees patterns humans can't. Web3 is the skeleton. It distributes control, removes intermediaries, and makes systems resilient, transparent, and permissionless. Alone, each is powerful, but together, they're transformative. This isn't speculation, it's already happening. We're witnessing the emergence of networks that think for themselves, protocols that can evolve, and digital economies that optimize in real time. AI gives Web3 adaptability. Web3 gives AI accountability. We're no longer just coding applications, we're engineering ecosystems that learn. What matters now is not whether this integration is real. It is. What matters is whether we build it ethically, responsibly, and with enough foresight to keep power in people's hands, not just the machines. So, hey, subscribe to platforms that are actively merging AI with Web3, like SingularityNet, Fetch.ai, and Ocean Protocol. They're not just building the next internet, honestly, they're building your next operating system. Blockchains are, excellent at storing data and executing code without bias. But here's the thing, they lack the ability to learn. They don't adjust to new information. They don't predict or optimize. They just do what they're told, perfectly, but, passively. Now just imagine a blockchain network that learns from activity, like a DeFi protocol that watches volatility and adjusts parameters in real time, or a governance platform that predicts voter turnout and optimizes proposals accordingly. A digital economy that evolves on its own, faster, fairer, and more stable. AI brings cognition to systems that were once only reactive. It allows for prediction, simulation, optimization, and honestly, autonomous upgrades. So, this means DAOs that don't just process votes, but, actually understand their impact before they're even cast. It means protocols that adapt based on user behavior without, violating anyone's privacy. This isn't about replacing humans, it's really about giving decentralized systems a kind of nervous system, so they can think and respond with intelligence, not just code. Propose AI governance tools within your DAO or protocol community. Push for integrated dashboards that track sentiment, wallet engagement, and vote forecasting. It's not automation versus democracy, it's honestly collaboration. In Web 2, personalization meant surveillance. Your clicks, purchases, messages, everything was, harvested to train algorithms that served someone else's profits. In Web 3, personalization can finally exist without exploitation. Thanks to privacy-preserving AI techniques like zero-knowledge proofs and federated learning, you can receive intelligent recommendations or optimized interfaces without revealing your identity or sacrificing your autonomy. Imagine a decentralized exchange that adjusts its interface based on your trading habits. A wallet that categorizes your assets and flags security risks without reading your seed phrase. A social dApp that learns your content preferences without building a dossier on you. This is the future AI enables in Web 3. Relevance without intrusion. Assistance without surveillance. It is intelligence on your terms. Use ZK-enabled tools like Aztec or, explore platforms that combine personalization with user consent. Tools like Reclaim Protocol let you selectively reveal credentials without handing over control. DAOs promised decentralized governance, but honestly, they're still human-driven and, human-slow. Proposals get buried, moderators burn out, and voter fatigue is real. As communities scale, decision-making bottlenecks can really grind innovation to a halt. AI solves this not by, replacing governance, but by enhancing it. AI agents can handle the groundwork, moderate chats, summarize discussions, detect spam, and pre-filter proposals for relevance. They can analyze voting history and flag likely points of conflict before they derail progress. Plus, they can recommend timing strategies for proposal success and even offer alternative drafts based on precedent. This turns DAOs into adaptive organisms, capable of self-regulating and growing without sacrificing their values. But most importantly, AI gives time back to the humans, so they can focus on vision, creativity, and leadership, not just logistics. If you're active in a DAO, introduce simple GPT-based proposal summaries or sentiment analytics. Even modest integrations dramatically improve engagement, efficiency, and clarity. Step into the metaverse today, and you'll see beautiful landscapes, detailed avatars, and persistent worlds. But, something is missing: intelligence. Most metaverse environments are static or pre-scripted. They look alive, but they don't feel alive. That changes with AI. Now, metaverses are beginning to integrate dynamic AI agents, NPCs that evolve based on your actions, AI companions that learn your routines, tutors that adjust to your learning speed, and virtual storefronts that personalize themselves in real time. This isn't science fiction. Tools like In-World AI and Alethea AI are already enabling emotionally responsive, memory-capable characters in decentralized worlds. And when these characters are owned as NFTs, trainable, upgradable, tradable, they become part of your digital identity. This is where AI meets storytelling, where blockchain meets character development, where presence meets personalization. Experiment with creating AI-powered characters using tools like Character GPT or In-World Studio. Consider what kind of digital companion guide or service bot your metaverse community needs and, well, build it. Blockchain is secure but not infallible. Smart contracts are, honestly, vulnerable to bugs, exploits, and logic errors. Billions have already been lost to attackers who, exploit faulty code. AI acts as a sentinel, an ever-watchful guardian that never sleeps. It can scan smart contracts for vulnerabilities, simulate attack scenarios, monitor chain activity in real time, and even predict exploits before they happen. Security firms are already integrating machine learning to detect rug pulls, phishing attempts, and flash loan attacks faster than human teams ever could. This is more than convenience. It's survival. In an increasingly complex, composable world of DeFi and NFTs, AI is becoming the immune system for Web3. So you'll want to deploy AI auditing tools like Certec Skynet or, use tools such as Forta for real-time threat detection. And if you're developing, it's really important to incorporate AI-driven fuzz testing early in your smart contract lifecycle. This is, honestly, the next evolution of the internet: decentralized, user-owned, and intelligent. It's a network that doesn't just store information, it interprets it. And it's not just about executing code anymore, it actually understands context. AI gives the blockchain a mind. Web3 gives AI a conscience. Together they allow us to build systems that don't exploit us but serve us. Systems that adapt, evolve, and protect without sacrificing transparency or agency. But, this convergence also carries risks. Without guardrails, AI could amplify inequality. Without decentralization, AI could entrench surveillance. The future is not inevitable, it's programmable. And honestly, the code is being written now. The question is, who's writing it? The answer needs to be us. Join the communities building this future. Contribute code, share ideas, demand ethical models and transparent systems. Whether you're a developer, artist, investor, or voter, you have a role to play in shaping the future of intelligence and ownership.